Hey, so this is my sewing room. It's a small, cozy room, but I like it. So today, we're gonna take a closer look at the Olson iron. So I've had this iron for a minute. It's a mini project iron. When I did the video, everybody asked about the little iron, and it's a M2 Pro. So as you can see on the box, you have the fill-up tank. Ooh. That opens and you pour your water in. And it also has a fill to a maximum fill line. Here is the water tank, and on your switch, your off and on switch dial, your steam, and you have a 2 setting voltage selection. The water tank requires 50 milliliters of water, and it, like I stated before, it has a fill line. And here are some of the features: your settings: low temperature, medium temperature, high. Your fabric selector dial tells you when the iron is heating up and when it's ready. Your steam, and a press steam button. And the voltage is from 110 to 120 volts to 220 over 240 volts. And I showed you the switch on the actual iron, which is here. The iron comes with its little storage side, which you place the iron on and store it away. And on the flip side is the resting side when the iron is actually hot. So there's 2 sides to this holder. And for storing the iron, you just place it back in this little holder, put the tabs, and it's ready to be stored. Old plate. And like I said, it has 2 sides: storage and resting when the iron is hot. But before you put it back on your resting side, make sure the iron is totally cooled down before you replace it. And this is the proper way to use the iron. Do not put your fingers or hands on the iron. As you can see in the guide, the proper placement for your hands and your burning warning. It says, "Sole plate awesomeness. My diamond coated ceramic sole plate maintains even heat and effortless glides over fabric." So when you see my sewing room, it is a small room, but it works for me. And that's what I like most about this little iron. It's compact, And I also purchased the tabletop ironing board with it. So there you have it. The Oliso portable iron. Thanks for watching. Bye.